Digital electronics. Electronics digital means in generally in electronics we use the input signal as an analog input signal, means continuous input signal like this one. This is continuous analog signal, means with the passage of time, at every instant of time we get the input voltage. But in if we get in signal, if we have signal like that, this one or this one, means this type of signal means we have only two levels of voltage or two levels of voltage, two levels of signals, means only high signal and low signal. So whenever we use this type of signal, it is called digital electronics. Digital electronics is used many application like phone, computers internal circuits only work on the digital electronics. It understand only digital binary language, digital electronics. So these are the simply these are pulse signal. These are pulse signals like 5 volt higher, high volt, and 0 low voltage. So in binary electronics, higher voltage is denoted with higher voltage is denoted as 1 and lower voltage is denoted as 0. So these two terms we will use 1 and 2. These are called binary digit. Now one more thing is here, logic gate. What is logic gate? Logic gate are the circuit that is used in digital electronics to operate the digital numbers or digital signals. So a gate, if we want to define it, a gate is a digital circuit that follow certain logical relationship. They control the flow of information. And they are 5 types: one, AND, OR, NOT, NAND, and NOR. So first of all we will study NOR. Not, as the name indicates, it just invert the input signal as the output signal. Its symbol is like that. If we have signal A is a input signal and Y is the output signal, then if I draw this table, this table is called truth table. Here is the A input, here is output Y. If I give the input 0, then I will get output as 1. If I give input 1, then I will get output as 0. This is called NOT gate, and this also is defined as a bar. Bar means just the invert of input signal. So this is called NOT gate. Now next is OR. A, B, and Y. AND gate. What about this truth table? This truth table is like that. Input, this is output, A, B, and Y. Zero, zero, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Then output will be 0, 1, 1, and 1. So this is our input voltage say to table, and output is defined as the A plus B. Now next is AND gate. Circuit is like this one, this one. This is AND gate A, B, and this one. Truth table is to A, B, and Y. 0 0 0 1 1 0. So it will be 0, it will be 0, it will be 0, and it will be 1. So if any one input is 0, then output will be 0. Or here in OR gate, if any one input is 1, then output will be 1. So this is our 3 gates. Fourth gate is logic NAND gate, and the equation is for is it NAND gate. What happened to with NAND gate? This is, and here is one bubble. This is our NAND gate A and B and Y. A, B, Y. 0 1 0 1, sorry, 0 1 0 1 1. So what happened here? This is 0 0, so we will get 1. This is made of basically 1 and then this one. So whenever we get here 1 0 0, then it will invert it. 0 then 1. One input is 0, then output will be 0, and not will invert it, and we will get 1. And 1 1 is 1 and 0. So if NAND gate, if any one input is 0, then output will be 1. So this will be like AND gate, NAND gate. Another is NOR gate. This is also simple. This one, A and B and Y. This is like and this like A, B, and Y. The truth table will be like A, B, Y. 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. Now here 0 0 is here. The output will be 0, and it will, the NOT gate will invert it. So it here will be 0 1. Here 1 and 1. Here 1, so we get 0. Here 1, we get 0. So whenever when 2 0 is present, we will get, whenever if one, if in NOR gate, if any input is 1, then we will get 0. So the equation is like this. This is our NOR gate. Now in our next topic is integrated circuit. Integrated circuit. Integrated circuits. In short, we can call it IC. You have heard this term IC. What is it? We in the many electrical appliance, in many electrical circuits, there are many components, and this component, if we used transistor, conventional transistor, resistance, and different diodes device, and different device, then we will, then any big circuit will be very big and very bulky. So to remove means this type of, if we get any big electrical circuit, if we made any electrical circuit by conventional method, then there will be many problems, like there may be many problems like soldering problem. These circuits are bulky, less reliable, less shockproof, and hard to implement. So, to overcome these problems, we have a solution: integrated circuit. What happen in integrated circuit? In integrated circuit, we fabricate all the circuits in a small chip. We fabricate all the circuit in a small chip of silicon. So the concept of fabricating the concept of fabricating an entire circuit on a small single block of a semiconductor has revolutionized the electronics. It is integrated circuit. So technology in the integrated circuit to fabrication is used. Technology is used in monolithic. Monolithic means made of mono means one single and lithic means lithos stone means all the circuit is fabricated on the single chip or single silicon chip. Okay. On the depending these ICs can be divided in the many different types depending on input signal. IC are two type. First is linear IC and another is digital IC. Linear IC means analog IC. Operate Linear IC is used in the operational amplifier, and digital ICs are used in digital circuitry. Like in digital IC contain the different logic gates according to use of the circuitry or according to the application. So another distribution is depending on the of fabrication level of integration. So first is SSI. What happen in SSI? If the logic gates are less than 10, this is SSI. If then MSI, logic gates are less than or equals to 100. After that, LSI, logic gates or logic are less than 1000, and VLSI, in which logic gates are greater than. So these are our integrated circuits. Use mobiles, electrical appliance, etc.